In today's video, I'll be showing you how to pay with PayPal on Amazon. Now, this is actually a very quick and simple thing to do, so make sure you watch this video all the way to the end. To start with, you must head over to Amazon and choose something that you want to buy. And let's just say I wanted to get a gaming headset. We can simply add anything from Amazon into our cart, and from there, we can proceed to checkout. And we then have to sign into our account. So from here, I've reached checkout, but I can't see an option to pay with PayPal. So how do we actually go about paying with PayPal on Amazon? Now, the only way it's possible to pay with PayPal on Amazon is actually via some sort of gift card site. Now, of course, you want to make sure this site is legitimate because there are a lot of scam sites out there. However, once you have found one that's legit, you'll be able to search for Amazon gift cards, and from there, you'll be able to choose whichever one you want. Now, you do want to make sure they take PayPal as a payment method, but as you can see right here, this one does actually accept PayPal. And that means we can buy any of these gift cards via PayPal. And from there, when we get back to the Amazon checkout page, there's actually a section here which allows you to enter a gift card, a voucher, or a promotional code. So what we could do is enter in our gift card code here, and when we click apply, we will then get a balance, which is the same as what we bought on Amazon, which will allow us to pay with PayPal on Amazon. So although this isn't a direct method, this is the only way in which you're going to be able to pay with PayPal on Amazon. I hope you found this video helpful, and thanks for watching.